going to tell a story today. The title is Creation. Before I tell the story, I'm going to read you a memory verse. Genesis 1 verse 1. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. One time God looked at the earth. It was so empty and watery. So God said, "Let there be light." So there is light. And then he called the light day and the darkness night. The second day, God separated the sky from the waters. And then the third day, God made the leaves, flowers, and he made the fruits and vegetables. And then in the fourth day, God made the sun, moon, and stars. The sun is for the day, the moon is for the night, and the stars are for the night too. On the fifth day, God made the birds, all the birds that fly in the sky, and all the sea creatures that swim along the ocean. And then the sixth day, God made the rabbits and the raccoons, and he made the elephants, and he made the penguin, and he made the bears, and he made the puppy dogs, and all the animals. And the special thing on the sixth day, he made Adam and Eve. And the seventh day, God rested and blessed and hallowed it. Tuna a bangin taning mo. Ketang chugen mayin la shang to ong sim ning. Piansak ha anel khat. Akipatin Pasian vantung leitung Piansak hi. Tuna tak chugen taning e. Pasian ha via leitung kwam yao ina. Tui hong zia ina kwam yao ma hi. The jump Pasian bang ha adding special hi sa kwam hi. Pasian nikanin kovak boy. The hitjang nini na ya vantung le tuite ken hi. The jang ni tuma Pasian in bak de the hitjang ya do pa de the jang singkung agong ma de the hitjang Pasian in ya an met gat de bo hi. The jang nilinia Pasian in ya ni ka aksite bo hi. Ni pen sun ading kale aksite zana ding hi. Ni ngani in Pasian in vasa leang dial te the hitjang tuisa on ganing te bo hi. Pasian in nigu ni in ya dopi we the jang sai the jang Kelly anete ganing te Africa bo hi. The jang ya Adam le Eve song bang ha special bo hi. Nisagi ni Pasian tonga tupapya the jang shang to sak hi. Thank to lung the mat. Do ba chupang pichita hen amen. Do not canal so long sunning God made a wonderful world. Do ba an akwai mat leitung ayading bohi.